Aloe vera is a plant species with several medicinal and nutritional uses. The plant has green, gel-filled leaves. Many people use the gel to treat burns and wounds, and it is also available as juice. You may ask yourself, is aloe vera really can help in bedtime with your wife? In today's video we are going to talk about this and the other health benefits of aloe vera. As per some studies, aloe vera juice has the potential to increase the production of testosterone, which is the primary male sex hormone. Drinking aloe vera juice can result in increased sexual energy and high libido. Aloe vera for erectile dysfunction. Among the numerous functions of aloe vera is treating erectile dysfunction. It is rich with minerals and vitamins which help enhance erectile function. It is also helpful in the regulation of sex hormones as well as improving the quality of sperms. It is available in two forms: latex, aloe juice. Gel, colorless and odorless. Patients can consume both types of aloe vera orally as a treatment for erectile dysfunction. Aloe vera is at all times used in its raw form. Aloe vera has the following functions in the treatment of erectile dysfunction: natural vasodilator. Aloe vera helps to increase the amount of nitrogen produced in the body. This loosens the blood vessels, thereby allowing blood flow to the penis. Once there is substantial blood flow to the penile region, the man gets an erection. Blood pressure regulation and vascular health. Very high and low blood pressure levels may result in erectile dysfunction. People who have diabetes are more likely to experience erectile dysfunction because of high blood pressure. When taken orally, aloe vera gel helps to stabilize the blood pressure levels. Stable blood pressure is essential in the maintenance of an erection. Maintain blood sugar levels. A common characteristic of type 2 diabetes is the presence of damaged blood vessels and nerves. The damage is a result of high blood sugar levels. This condition prevents continuous blood flow into the penis, therefore causing erectile dysfunction. Aloe vera supplement, when taken, helps lower blood sugar levels. This helps to allow continuous flow into the penile region, hence achieving an erection. Vitamin B. Aloe vera contains vitamin B, which helps lower the level of lipoprotein cholesterol in the bloodstream. Cholesterol is one of the major causes of erectile dysfunction in men as it clogs the blood vessels. This, in turn, affects the flow of blood into the penile area, resulting in erectile dysfunction. Vitamin B, therefore, helps to improve erectile function in men with high cholesterol levels. Weight loss. Among the causes of erectile dysfunction is obesity, which reduces the levels of testosterone in the bloodstream. Lower testosterone in the bloodstream, in turn, result in erectile dysfunction. Aloe vera helps reduce weight as its laxative property helps fight water retention. When obese men lose weight, their erectile functioning improves. Aloe vera also stimulates the production of sperm and rapid cell division, which helps in the production of testosterone, thereby improving the erectile functioning in men. It is essential to consult a doctor before the use of aloe vera. It may be toxic when taken in high amounts and can result in diarrhea, low potassium, muscle weaknesses, and kidney problems. The process's aloe vera is much safer to use as processing removes the toxins. Other health benefits of aloe vera includes: 1. Treating constipation. People who experience periodic constipation may use aloe vera juice as a natural laxative. The outer portion of the plant contains compounds called anthraquinones, and these have a laxative effect. If a person is trying aloe vera juice for the first time, they may wish to start with a small serving. One serving is usually 1 cup or 8 ounces of juice. While researchers are aware of aloe vera's laxative effect, the United States Food and Drug Administration, FDA, have not established that the plant is safe to use for this purpose. People who are frequently constipated should speak to a doctor about appropriate laxatives for long-term use. 2. Providing vitamin C. About 8 ounces of fortified aloe vera juice contains 9.1 grams trusted source of vitamin C. This vitamin is vital for a person's overall health, as it is a natural antioxidant and helps fight inflammation. Vitamin C has a variety of specific benefits, from reducing a person's risk of cardiovascular disease to improving immune system function. Getting enough vitamin C also enhances the body's ability to absorb iron from plant-based foods. While the vitamin is naturally present in foods such as oranges, green peppers, broccoli, grapefruit, and tomato juice, fortified aloe vera juice is another excellent source. 3. Staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of fluids throughout the day can help a person stay hydrated, and aloe vera juice can be a low-calorie alternative to sugary drinks and fruit juices. An 8 oz glass of aloe vera juice contains just 36 calories. However, it is essential to check labeling for added sugar and other ingredients. These can increase the amounts of calories, sugar, and carbohydrates in the juice. The American Heart Association, AHA, recommend limiting added sugar to no more than 24 grams, g, or 6 teaspoons, a day for females and 36 grams, or 9 teaspoons, a day for males. 4. Reducing gum inflammation. A small study found that swishing with an aloe vera juice mouthwash helped reduce gingival inflammation in people who had recently undergone treatments to remove plaque. In the study, 15 participants swished with an aloe vera juice mouthwash, and 15 used none. At the study's conclusion, those who had used the mouthwash reported less gum inflammation. The researchers proposed that aloe vera's antimicrobial and antibacterial properties helped to achieve the results. 5. Preventing stomach ulcers. Aloe vera juice may have additional digestive benefits, such as reducing the incidence of stomach ulcers and improving digestion, according to research from 2014. The many anti-inflammatory compounds in aloe vera juice, such as vitamin C, may contribute to these digestive effects. Liver function. When it comes to detoxing, healthy liver function is key. Aloe vera juice is an excellent way to keep your liver healthy. That's because the liver functions best when the body is adequately nourished and hydrated. Aloe vera juice is ideal for the liver because it's hydrating and rich in phytonutrients. It may improve skin and prevent wrinkles. There is some preliminary evidence to suggest that topical aloe vera gel can slow aging of the skin. In a 2009 study of 30 females over the age of 45, taking oral aloe vera gel increased collagen production and improved skin elasticity over a 90-day period. Reviews also suggest that aloe vera could help the skin retain moisture and improve skin integrity, which could benefit dry skin conditions. It accelerates wound healing. People most often use aloe vera as a topical medication, rubbing it onto the skin rather than consuming it. In fact, it has a long history of use in treating sores, and particularly burns, including sunburn. The United States Pharmacopoeia describe aloe vera preparations as a skin protectant as early as 1810 to 1820. Studies suggest that it is an effective topical treatment for first and second-degree burns. For example, a review of experimental studies found that aloe vera could reduce the healing time of burns by around 9 days compared with conventional medication. It also helped prevent redness, itching, and infections. The evidence for aloe vera helping heal other types of wound is inconclusive, but the research is promising. Risks. Aloe vera is a safe remedy with few known side effects. The National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, NCCIH, say that topical use is likely safe. That said, the oral use of aloe vera may cause stomach cramps or diarrhea due to its laxative effects. There have also been some reports of liver damage associated with long-term aloe vera supplement use. The NCCIH also report that non-decolorized whole leaf extract of aloe vera seems to be associated with cancer risk in rats. Aloe vera has a range of therapeutic properties, especially as an ointment for the skin and gums. People can use bottled aloe vera gel or take it directly from the leaf of an aloe plant. Aloe vera juice has different uses to aloe vera gel. Oral options should contain decolorized whole leaf extract of aloe vera to minimize risk. A person should always speak to a doctor before using aloe products to treat a condition.